Hi, Dave here, Hayes Motorcycle and ATV in Thomastown, Victoria, Australia. Dave here, Hayes Motorcycle. I thought I'd show you this bike that's come in for a major service, one of the things that gets checked. So we're just going to check the front end on this VFR800, 1998 model, old non-VTEC Honda. I'm going to have a look at the binding. There's no binding really on the front brake. Binding by as in when you spin this wheel it would be like this, really tight. We'll check the disc condition, the thickness. This is all by eye for now. I haven't got any measurement tools out yet. You check that, you check the wheel bearings. There's no play there. You check both sides. This side too. Check the suspension. These fork seals are leaking, so they'll have to come out. You check the wheel condition. You check the rotation. See if there's any wobbles or anything. Like I said, this is a very manual check right now. You look down here and check whether the discs are true or not. That can be shown up on a road test, but I don't really want to be road testing the bike with dodgy brakes. But we put this to the stop and then spin it and sort of see it by eye. But like I said, we haven't got the measurement tool out yet. Check that these are all secure, these bolts, and check the pads. The pads are okay on this one, although being an old bike, it'll probably be very dirty in there, so the pistons won't probably move very well. In this model, you have a thing called a secondary master cylinder. Now this gets operated by the front brake. So as you put the front brake on, wheels rotating, you put the front brake on, and obviously pushes the pads against the disc and slows the wheel down. But as it does that, it moves this, called the secondary master cylinder, up and engages the rear brake. So it's a very early form, very good form, because it's a Honda, of dual braking system. So it operates one of the pistons in the back caliper. So when you put the brake on, the rotation of the disc, obviously being actuated by the front brake, the pads go on the disc, it pushes this up, pushes it up this way and actuates the rear brake, which leads to good stopping power. One thing to mind is if there's lots of play in here, you check all the bushes in here, the bushes in here, the free play, the caliper pin movement backwards and forwards, the piston movement backwards and forwards, that all leads to a fresh brake system if it's in operating parameters. That's just one thing to cover. Tyre condition, any holes, any cracks, there's a lot of things to go over, but that's just a small portion of inspections that get done on a minor service. Funny little one, do the sniff test. What are we sniffing for? Sniffing for old oil smell and burnt clutch.